Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a short video that will show you how to pick the best niches ridiculously quick. So this is another niche picking video, but it's mainly for people that are really struggling. So if you've watched this through some of my previous videos and you just can't sort of get it, or you're not comfortable, you sort of think, I just don't know whether it's going to sell, this is probably the best route that you want to go to find a good niche area, and it's really simple to do. So I'm going to show you that. Also, which is very similar to this method, I'm going to show you if you've already got a niche site, an Amazon site, an affiliate site that you're ranking, I'm going to show you how you can revitalize it. So this will help you if you've got sites out there. Maybe the rankings have stopped, maybe the traffic has stopped, or maybe you're just having trouble getting them ranked full stop. This will help you get them ranked. So I'm going to show you two different things that you can do. And the best thing is, they're really easy to do. So I hope you enjoy it. Do check out the link below if you want to get a site built for you. The discount is still available. Just remember to use the word special on the coupon code box. So when you go through, if you type special into the coupon code box on the checkout page, you will get the discount and you'll get a real Amazon affiliate site built for you. 5 reviews with 3,000 words per page, SEO'd and interlinking, logo and background done for you, and you also get all of the menu setup done for you as well. So don't miss that, because you also get the coaching as well. So if you want coaching that will help you step by step go through, and you just basically follow that to go through and start making money. So it's set up like 14 days, so you get your site and follow that for 14 days. Just do the simple tasks and you'll be making money, and it's at a huge discount. So check that out. Go through to the checkout page and enter special. Also, if you need more information on that, the video's here, so I'll put that link below. It's not available too much longer, that offer, because the prices are going up. So if you want to get in, do grab that. Okay, so these two things I'm going to show you, I will get right into it. Number one, if you're having trouble settling on a niche, here's what you want to do. Go over to Amazon.com, find this link over in the top. Sometimes you'll get it in the home page, sometimes you have to go looking at a few products, but eventually this will come up, bestsellers. Click on that. On the left hand side, when you click on bestsellers, you'll get this menu. Okay, any department, and you'll get every single department on Amazon. And all you want to do is have a look at some departments that are of interest. Now I recommend starting with the highest paid commission ones, but they're all there. Okay, and the reason that you want to look there is now you've just found all of the products. As you start going, you can see here I've gone into patio, lawn and garden, and the best sellers in patio, lawn and garden are available here. So these are the best selling products. These are the products that are selling more than anything else in the entire category. And the reason, if you haven't guessed, I bet you've guessed, but the reason you want to do that is because you will be able to spot niches that are the best selling, and you already know they are. Now, here we go. So the second one here was a mosquito repeller, and when I went over to Ubersuggest, you can see here mosquito repellent, 60,500 searches. Best mosquito repellent, 18,100 searches, and it's all there. So it's a really good way of finding lots of these really great niches that you already know will be great sellers. And here's the product you can see here. So it would be fairly low commissions, this, but what you're looking at, if you have a look through some of the sections, some of the highest paid commission sections, start on there and then have a look at some of the top products, and you will find niches that you already know are selling really well. And if they're selling really well, that means people are searching for them on Amazon, and if people are searching for them on Amazon in abundance, you already know that they are really good products. Okay, so that's the first way. If you can't set on a niche, follow that and it will help you out. Number two, I want to help you out. If you've got a site out there that you're struggling ranking, maybe the rankings have drifted off, maybe you can't get it ranked and you want to revitalize it, this is exactly what I do for any site. Maybe I've left the site, maybe life's got in the way, and I want to go back and I want to build the site back up and get some quick sales, this is a really, really simple way that you can do it. Okay, so what you want to do, this is really, really easy to do and it works so well. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the best sellers again, like what we've just done. But this time, if you've got a site that you need to revitalize and start to get ranked, and you want to get some quick rankings and sales, this will work best for sites with content already on. But you could do this from scratch. I've only ever done this with sites that I've got up and out there because it works really, really well for rankings. What you want to do now is go to new releases, okay? And funny enough, I was just checking while I was doing the video. Let's go into the same category just to keep it all in line, but you can go into any category. You can see here these are the new releases, okay? And you can see there's a mosquito killer here that we've just looked at, mosquito repellent, mosquito killer, and that's a new release, meaning it's just launched, or relatively it's launched not that long ago. And let's say you already had that site out there and you want to revitalize it, so to speak. You can then see all the top new releases for your niche area, and you can put these products on as reviews, and it will drive a lot of traffic because those new releases are already selling and they're easy to rank for because there will be very, very little competition. So you can do this not, with any niche. I'll just show you. Okay, so this time I've gone into home and kitchen. And again, you can see here there's a new iRobot, brand new robot vacuum cleaner, very popular niche. Here's a portable air conditioner, so if you had that site in portable air conditioning, that would be a good one. You want to find your niche area and your, like, if obviously you want to put something in line, and you can see all the top new releases. So to find your niche area, you obviously go to, if you're in vacuums, look, here we go. Now it's only showing the new releases in vacuums, and you want to put the top 5 or the top 10 on your site because you'll rank really easy. People will be buying these. If you've already got a site with product reviews on, it will give you some really quick rankings, really quick sales, and it will also help your site to get revitalized in the listings. So there's 2 ways there. Quick recap. Number 1, just for the best sellers to see what's going and the categories and what's actually selling. Amazon's telling you, reference check it on Ubersuggest or a keyword tool like that. Number 2, if you've got a site that won't rank, go to your niche area in the new releases this time and narrow right down into your area, and then have a look at the new releases in your area. Now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you probably already be in a popular area, so this will work. The only time it won't work with the new releases is if you're in a really small, strange niche that doesn't have many new releases. A bit like me. So like with that Zero Turn Mower site, it's a bit hard because they don't release every single day. But most niches do, so follow that, and that will work really, really well for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. If you want a site built for you that will actually rank and make money, I can't stress that enough. It's not a push button site. It's not scraped content. It's real content that's written properly, SEO'd properly, and set up for you, so you've got a really good base to then build on the site. Do check it out because I'm taking it down shortly, but you're able to get in. Remember the coupon code SPECIAL and you'll be able to get in at the discount, and you'll find that through the link below, and just enter SPECIAL in the checkout box. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next